Hello, this is Mike Campbell with Region 9 Education Service Center. Many of you are working on summer plans. You'd like to know what the workshops are, when they will be, what's available this summer. Well, we have them published for you, and they're located. If you go to esc9.net, go to our website and just scroll down a little bit, there'll be a button that says Professional Development. Click on it, and it takes you to our professional development registration page. All you have to do is sign in, and then once you get signed in, you can go a couple of ways to find it. For example, if you know that on, let's say, June the 5th, you'll be available. It'll be available. That's a date that you want to try and take a class. If you go to that month, take a look, and sure enough, here's Learn and Lead, ARD Leadership. That might be the one you'd want to take. You'll just click on that. It'll take you to that website. Now, it's not available yet, but when on March the 29th, there'll be a button up here that'll say register or sign up or something like that. All you have to do is click on it and be sure and check out when you get that done, and it'll be on your list. Or if you'd prefer, you can go to search. Let's say you want to learn more about Google. So if you just type in Google, let's see everything. Well, there are the workshops that are available so far this summer for Google. If you find one that works for you, just do the same thing. Here's Google Docs for Educators. Click on that. And once again, that button will show up to register. So once again, it's available now at esc9.net. Click on a professional development. And on March the 29th, you can sign up.